Hi everyone, Robin here from Gardening with Mama Bird. As the cooler weather settles in for our new fall season and the fall flowers are now in our garden centers, I have been inspired to spruce up my drab front porch. While I do some much needed cleaning to get rid of these webs, the dust, and the dirt, you can watch what I created during the week to dress up my small front porch for fall. Since I work during the week, my goal is to take a few evenings to come home and prepare some pots so I can decorate my front porch for fall. I'm excited about it because the weather's getting cooler and I haven't really changed up my porch too much lately, so it's fun to prepare for a new look. So I have gone shopping and purchased some things, and I'll switch the camera up and show you real quick what I got, and then we'll plant up this planter or basket that I just got that I am totally in love with. And I have a smaller version too that I'm going to plant up a little bit differently, but to bring in the fall colors. Plants I gathered up to do the basket: the fountain grass, to give it some height. It has more of the red tones. A berry smoothie heuchera. This heuchera is a silver scrolls. I have two varieties of violas, one with the little orange faces and yellow. Then I have some optic grass. And in the back, I got two different varieties of lamium. One is a darker tone. You see that? And then to the left is a lighter tone. I have here a little button fern, which I have a little plan for that, and brunnera. This is the smaller basket that the calla lily is going to go into. And I have this coleus, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it. I have it there as an option. And then my little friend, Amy Lou, in the back. Oh, one little item I forgot. I want to place this little bird in here, which I just think is adorable and adds a fall look. So to start off with, I already put some soil inside the basket, and the basket is lined with plastic. So the first thing I want to put in there is the fountain grass. And then I want to put the heuchera silver scrolls on this side of the basket. I want to be sure to pack the soil down tight enough that it doesn't settle and the plants sink. Then I want to take the little button fern, put it in here. I'll pack some soil around it, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in a minute. I've loosened up the brunnera from the pot it was in, and I want this to go over on this side. And what I really like about this is the big bold leaves that have a lighter color to give a contrast to the fountain grass. So now that I have all this situated, I think I want to add some of the violas to give it a little pop of fall color in there. The backside, I'm just going to add some more soil. It's going to go against the wall, so I don't need to have it a full circle around. And the last little thing I want to do is add this little bird, so it looks like it's nesting in this little button fern. And that's it for this planter. This is the smaller version of the basket. They came as a nestled set, and I just fell in love with them and had to have them, and I thought they'd look great for the front porch. So the first thing I want to add to this one, because I wanted some orange tones up on the front for fall, and also kind of to go with the pumpkins, and I fell in love with this calla lily. So I'm going to put it in the back, and I want to turn it and tip it in the pot to make sure it's at the angle that I want. I'll add some soil around it. Okay, so I want to add the berry smoothie heuchera in here. I'm going to use the darker variety of lamium over the lighter variety. thinking I might need to add a little something in the back there. I think I like that little optic grass in there.
Let's take this and make a wreath. Porch is ready for fall. Since the margins flanking my door are so narrow, my options for containers were limited, but I had been eyeing these baskets at Lowe's for quite some time, so I bought them. I already had these containers, so what I did here was add some cool weather flowers to add a little bit of fall color. The little pot below has a pansy, and up above I put some violas, another pansy, and lamium, which will spill over on the pot. I placed the larger basket to the right side of the door, and inside of that I added the fountain grass to add some height. Below the fountain grass to the right is brunnera. The silver scrolls is on the left, and the bird is nestled on a button fern backed by violas. And then, of course, we have to have our fall colors of pumpkins, and the other little pumpkins I found either at Target or my local TJ Maxx. On the left side is a smaller basket. My thriller is the calla lily with such pretty orange tones. My fillers are heuchera, fiber optic grass, and violas. The spiller is a lamium. And my final piece is the wreath I made from bunnytails grass that I planted from seed early spring. It also has a few acorn picks and ribbon that I purchased from Michael's. I love the way the whole porch turned out. It feels so inviting and cozy. Thanks for joining me and inspiring me to keep filming. Happy fall!